So here we are. I'm Mrs. Walt. Hello. And we're doing PBL, problem-based learning, project-based learning, and we're currently involved with Coding for a Cause. Maybe some of you have logged on before and seen some of our sessions. We were just having a session, and I realized I need to just start a scope on this because this is some good stuff that they're problem-solving through. So here we are. I've got Xander. Here's Xander.
Hi.
Luke.
What's up?
Gary.
Hey.
Delaney.
Hi.
And there's some awesome coders, and so right now we're going to just talk about where we are. What's the issue and where are we?
Our issue is that for Khan Academy, it has this thing called like an iframe around how big our thing can get, and it won't let us. It won't let us do what we really want to do. So we found this website called fiddlesalad.com, and then it lets you like do coding from just scratch, and then
Java.
Okay, he's saying raw Java. What are you talking about?
It's like the original JavaScript. It's like in Khan Academy, it teaches you processing JavaScript, which has its own library of functions.
They coded you some functions like your rect function, your ellipse, and stuff like that. But so that way you don't have to code it. But so this uses like the actual So on Khan Academy, it's more like for
processing.
Yeah,
full process.
Yeah, for beginners. But this is like the raw JavaScript, which I don't even know how to code it because.
Okay, so what I'm hearing is you had some things that were pre-coded that you were just selecting on Khan Academy.
Yeah.
Now you're at the spot where you're wanting to create that yourselves. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now you're where? What's
So
the
we're
site?
on this website called fiddlesalad.com / JavaScript with another slash at the end.
Okay.
And then so it like lets you type HTML. So if I were to type H1 and then close it and then put like
Hi.
hello.
Hola.
Konnichiwa. Hello.
How do you even spell this?
King Bob.
How do you even spell konnichiwa?
Ni hao.
Hello world.
Okay.
And I know how to do that because in Khan Academy I'm doing the HTML code.
It's not processing HTML.
I know it's actual HTML that
Raw
websites are
HTML.
made
There
out.
we can see it a little
So
clearer.
like this is how websites are built using
Okay.
this type of code.
So you see the header, the beginning of the header, you say hello
H1 is
world,
a
and then the end of the
header.
header.
H1 is the header,
Okay.
and
Biggest header there is.
the number goes all the way to 6.
Okay.
And as the number gets bigger, the text gets smaller.
Okay.
See, so like if I put like
H6.
yeah, I'll put like an H6 or something.
It's like Genie's bottle.
I'll do
baby.
H3, and then put like hi, guys. So this is the H1 header 1, which means it's the most important, so it's the biggest. And then this is H3, which means it's halfway through, which means it's not very important. And then
There's the smallest H6.
and then H6 is like tiny. So H6, close,
Cool how you got
hi. And it's like very, very, very tiny right down there.
Jeez, I can barely see it.
It's very tiny.
Eeny baby space.
So what is it that you're trying to do now with JavaScript?
We're trying to figure out the fundamentals of actual JavaScript, so then we can code like our cave scenes and stuff, but using the raw JavaScript, so we can decide how we want it. It's not Khan Academy dictating how we do it. We get to do it how we would like.
The only other way to do that was to hack into Khan Academy, and we really don't want to go in that.
Okay. All right. Good.
Because whenever we code stuff,
I'm too young to be arrested.
whenever we code stuff, Khan Academy is dictating what we can and cannot do.
Okay.
Unless you use something called like, they have like this var draw Winston something, whatever it is, and it lets you create your own like function, like you could create some.
You use raw Java. To create your own function.
Yeah, but with this, there's a lot more customization.
Yeah.
So right now I've been showing like HTML right here because I don't know any raw JavaScript at all whatsoever. But
Love that I heard Xander say yet.
Yes.
So
We will learn
problem-based learning, you have an issue and you're about
just trying to solve it.
Pretty
solve
easy
it.
how to get
Khan
here
Academy
too.
only taught HTML, not raw JavaScript.
Okay.
They
Well,
teach processing JavaScript, but
Which is a whole nother type of JavaScript with its own functions, like we said.
So we have to code the code, and then
yes, we have to code the code and then use the code we made.
All
That's
right.
fun. That's fun to say.
So that's
I
gonna
say
be.
that 5
We have
times
to
fast.
we have to code the code and then use the code we coded to make the thing we want to code.
All right.
Say that 5 times fast.
Awesome.
That's fun.
This is some good stuff. And so I think that you kind of see where we are at this point in time. This is our innovation hour time. This is problem-based learning, project-based learning. It's coding for a cause. And that's where their thought processes are right now. So I hope some of you, maybe who aren't sure if kids are going to be able to find essential questions and move forward, or saying they will. It's passion-driven learning. They know what they're wanting to do. They see they've hit a bump in the road, and so they are jumping into trying to solve that problem themselves.
We're going around the bump.
To go around the bump, exactly. Awesome stuff. If you're interested in doing PBL, I encourage you to do it. It's great. Inquiry-based learning with kids. So this is us, Mrs. Walt's class. We're out for now. We'll
us
touch base
hearts.
with you later.
Give us hearts.
All right.
Bye.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Oh,